A very good morning to all students. So today we will going to teach shapes. So already you have done shapes. So I will be asking you few questions from the previous lesson. So please be ready. Asha, can you hear me, Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Aisha, please tell me, earlier we have done shapes. Name the 4 basic shapes. Name the 4 basic shapes. I think it's better if you close the video because it's a classroom. Yes? Okay, square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Okay, Aisha. Thank you. Harneet? Harneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Harneet, define what is a square.
Honey.
Yes, Harneet. Yes. What is a square?
Ma'am, square has 4 sides, 4 corners.
Yes.
Squares.
Again.
All are equal.
Okay.
All the sides are equal.
Okay, you should. Okay. I'll just improve on it. A square is a 4-sided figure which has all the 4 sides equal. Okay. Daisel?
Yes, ma'am.
Name any 3 objects which are square in shape. Name any 3 objects which are squarish. Yes, think and answer. Yes, dear. Yes. What did I didn't hear, dear? Say no problem. Say. You said book. Your voice is not clear. So no problem. I'll go to the next year. I'll go to the next. Girisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Name any 3 objects which are square in shape. Any 3 objects. Yes, Girisha?
Photo frame.
Okay. Photo frame can be rectangular or square also. Okay. Okay, but you should specify. Yes, dear. Any other?
Pillow.
Okay. Please be louder. Yes. Yes. That means you people have not revised the lesson properly. Okay, you have not revised here. Gurleen?
Yes, ma'am.
Gurleen, can you give me name any 3 objects which are square in shape?
Ma'am, pillow.
Okay.
Table.
Okay. Very good. Very good.
Blackboard.
Okay. Thank you, dear. The only 3 are okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Jasleen,
Yes, ma'am.
any 2 or 3 examples, any 3 objects which are rectangular in shape?
Rectangle.
Okay, first you define what is a rectangular. What is a rectangle? Sorry. What is a rectangle? Then you can give me the examples. Yes,
Is
you people. Rectangle is a, say,
rectangle is a 3 sides,
no, it's
four
wrong, dear.
sides, four
Four-sided
sides,
figure. Yes,
sided figures.
that means you people have not revised your earlier lesson. You are asking your parents. Mahi,
Yes, ma'am.
Mahi, define rectangle and give me 3 examples. Give me, define first rectangle. What is a rectangle?
Book.
I said define. Define means what is a rectangle? It's a simple definition.
Rectangle is a plain figure with 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. For example, book, bookshelf, building, etc.
Okay, nice, very good. So a rectangle is a 4-sided figure which has opposite sides are equal. Examples you have done. Good. Good, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Japleen,
Yes, ma'am.
Japleen, define a triangle and give me any name. First define and then give me 3 examples.
Triangle is three-sided figure.
Okay,
A triangle has 3 corners.
right. Any 3 objects which
For
are,
example,
yes,
sandwich, samosa,
okay, okay, okay,
etc.
dear. Okay, very nice,
Thank you,
very
ma'am.
nice. Japleen has muted herself. Very nice. Avantika.
Yes, ma'am.
Avantika, define what is a circle. First of all, define what is a circle.
Sun,
Yes, tell me.
sun, ball.
You are giving me examples. I asked you what is a circle. Okay, firstly, you have to say what is a circle. After that, you have to give me examples. Okay, dear. Say,
Circle is goal in shape.
you should say in English, circle is round in shape. Okay, now you give me examples. You said ball, and which is the other example? You should try to speak in English. Okay?
Sun, ball.
Okay, okay. You're asking Mama. Okay. Next time you should revise. Okay, no problem. I'll go to the next. So students, earlier we did the 4 basic. Today, I will be teaching you different types of lines. So the different types of lines are straight line, curved line, sleeping line, standing line, and slanting line. So you look at your screens carefully. So I'll be teaching you about lines. So this you did. Just as a revision, I'm showing you the figures. I'm showing you circle, rectangle, triangle, and square. At home, students, you will practice all these 4 shapes: how to make a circle, how to make a rectangle, how to make a triangle, and how to make a square. With the help of scale, you will make square, triangle, rectangle, and with the help of like a bangle, if you have got, you can make a circle. You will not use your hands, but because many times I have seen smaller children, they don't use scale, they straight away use hands. So these 4 shapes you will practice at home. Okay, now we will go to the different types of lines. First of all, you have to know what is a curved line. See how you have to practice. These are the dots given. You have to practice at home. So I will do one for you. Yes. The first one is you will start like this. You will practice how to make a curved line. So now I will give chance to a child to do, but the one who gets a chance, she only has to do. Now, not the other one. Wait. Noreen?
Yes, ma'am.
You do this second one. This one, I put a dot there. Practice. I have given the permission that you can write on the screen. Yes, Noreen, only you will do. Trace curved lines. Do. The one I did, you do the second one.
Okay, ma'am.
Try. If you can't, you tell me. Yes. Are you able to do? If not, I'll go to the next. No problem, I'll go to the next. Sanvi? Sanvi Sharma? Sanvi Sharma, can't hear me? Sanvi, I am talking to you. You are not replying. One minute. Yes. Sanvi, do the second one. Do this one. Yes. Sanvi, very good. Is it Sanvi has done? Some other name also coming. Noreen? No, I did not tell you, you will not do. The next, very good. Now, Shirangani Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
can you do the third one?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
no writing on the screen. Every time I have to correct you. Yes, Shirangani, do it. Can you write?
Yes,
Third,
ma'am.
as do. Shirangani, it's not clear. I'll help you out. 1 minute. Shirangani, it's not clear. Just a minute. Give me. Pavneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Pavneet, can you do the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Shirangani has, Shirangani, before you will do, Shirangani has already done. But this is not correct. Whenever you are given a chance, you should give chance to everyone. Okay. Now, I'll go to the next. Wait. Today the net is little bit slow, so have patience. Yes. You practice curved lines. Now, these are the objects which are having curved lines as well as they are having the straight line. Now, one I'll do for you. The first one is this object. This is a square. This is a triangle. These are objects which have straight lines. And the other objects like this one and this one, these are curved lines. These are objects which are having curved lines. So now I will give chance to the one. You wait. Have patience. Somya? I don't think she's able to hear. I'll go to the next. Gurleen?
Yes, ma'am.
Gurleen, you do one thing, dear. You put a tick mark. Dazel, I didn't tell you your name is coming again and again. Ayasha Malik, Noreen, your names are coming on the screen. Please behave properly. This shows that you are not listening to the teacher. Now, Gurleen, you please tick mark the one which are having straight lines. The objects which are having straight line. Please do the needful.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dear. You can write on the screen. I have given you permission. Yes. Straight lines. Yes. Other one, there are few objects at the bottom. Good. Up at the top on the right side. Yes, dear. Yes. Two more are left. Yes. Okay. Anyone is left there? There are two objects more. Object can be two-sided, object can be three-sided, 4, 5, whatever, but you have to see which object is having straight lines. Okay. Now, thank you, dear. There are few who are now. Harneet,
Yes, ma'am.
Harneet, you please put the tick mark which are curved in shape. Which are curved in shape. I will clear a little bit more. Many lines are there on the screen, so it will be confusion for you. I'll just clear. Now, you put a tick mark, which Somya, please don't write on the screen. When you get a chance, that time you don't write. But when others are getting chance, you start writing. Atik Sharma, Noreen, I can see your screen on the screen. Please be careful. Harneet, yes, dear. This is curved. Another one, very nice. Yes. Take the others also. Others are there. There are many more which are curved in shape. Yes. It's not, it is circular, but as you can see, it's curved only. Yes, I know you are taking mama's help. No problem. It's always good to take help. Okay, very nice. Yes, dear. Okay. Two more objects are left. Yes. Okay, down at the bottom. Yes. The star is not a curve. Remember, it also, the star which is there, this one, this is made with the help of lines. Okay. Thank you, Harneet. Thank you, dear. Now, we have practiced curved and straight lines. Now we'll go to the next. Now we'll go to the others. Look at the screens. These are your slanting lines. They have like a slanted, but this actually it is slanting lines. What here you have to do is, at home, whenever, with the help of a scale, because I'll not be able to do with the help of a scale here on the screen. If you are in the classroom before blackboard, I can do with the scale, but here I'm just telling you how to do. Just a minute. What you have to do is, in this, you have to use a scale and you have to join these points like this. I'm doing it without a scale, but here in your copy, when you do in your rough copy, you have to use a scale. You have to practice how to use a scale with the help of your mamas. Now I'll give chance to one girl. Wait. Ayasha, you got the chance. Every time I can't give you chance. Vedika?
Yes, ma'am.
Vedika, you do the bottom lines. Join it. I know with the help of a scale you cannot do, but with hand you practice. Downward. Yes? You can do. I given you permission to write on the screen. Yes. Vedika? Yes. Okay. Yes. Little bit lines are not straight, but at home you will practice with the help of a scale. Good, Vedika. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Now, this was about your slanting lines. So now we will go to the other lines. Yes, this is standing line, the one where dots are given, and the next picture is sleeping lines. So you can differentiate the different types of lines. So what we will do, 1 minute, we'll do first the standing one. With the help of again scale, you will join the 2 points. That means this line with this line. Because I am doing it with hand, it will not come straight, but when you will use scale, it will come straight. The other one also I'll do. Yes. Now, I'll go to Tanvi Mehra.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do the next line? 2 lines are already done. The next 2 lines you do. Not this one, the next 2. I'll just clear it up. These 2 don't do. Yes. The next one. But try to make it straight. Okay. Because this is for practice. Basically, these pics are shown on your screen. These are for your practice. How you will be doing straight line. With the help of scale, you'll be able to, once it will be wrong, twice it will be wrong, but third time it will be okay. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Shruti Jasrotia.
Yes, ma'am.
Next 2 lines do there. 2 already she has done. You do the next. Not here, Shruti. Not here. At the top you have to do it. You have to do it here, dear. This one and this one. Yes. It is not straight, but that only practice. This is for practice. Okay, you have left one. You have left one in the center. Okay, you do that one also now. Shruti, do the next. You have forgotten the middle one. Yes. There are few. Yes. Do the last one also. Now you have done. Yes. Yes. Okay. Shruti, your lines are not coming straight. So you need a lot of practice. Okay. It is coming out of the dots. But you have to see, Atik Sharma, I can see you are using the screen without my permission. You should try to put line in such a way that it does not come out of the dots. The last line you have not done. Okay, I'll do it for you. You have forgotten to do, I'll do it for you. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to practice all these lines.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Shruti. Simarpreet.
Yes, ma'am.
Simarpreet, you look at the screen again. Yes, you will do this. These are your sleeping lines. What are these? Sleeping lines. So one I will show you how to do. 1 minute. It is moving. 1 minute. Straight away you have to do. Okay. Now you do the next line. Do the second line. Try to make it straight. Don't bring it out of the. Very good. Do the next line also. Do the next row. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Seerat, there are few who are without my permission they are doing. Seerat, Seerat, you do these lines 1 and 2. Do any 2 lines. Rohani Manas, I can see your screen. You think you are very smart? Remember, I am smarter than you. I can see your name on the screen. Yes, Seerat, you do. Use any 2 lines. Seerat, again do it. These are not straight. These are curved lines. I'll just erase. Do it again. Try to make it straight. I know you're doing without scale. It is difficult, but you try. Try. See that again, it's not straight. See that, no problem. What you have to do is you will practice at home. Okay, no problem. It's doing. You try again so that it is in the line. Voice is coming from some side. Ruhani Manhas, this is a classroom, not a singing room. You are putting music. This is not a good approach. Pavneet,
I think. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you do.
Yes,
try to make it straight. Yes, dear. Do any line. Take any line. 2 lines. Try to make a straight line. I know you're doing with your hand. With scale, you will not have problem. Yes, dear. At least good try. Okay, good. Now, girls, I think will not take much time for these. These were sleeping lines and Okay, dear. And standing line.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Time is less. So we'll go to the next. This. See, this is again a sleeping line, but it will be easy for you to do this. Like I'll give you one example. When I'm doing, it is more easier because the lines are small. See, it will be more easier for you to do. Now, Noreen,
Yes, ma'am.
Noreen, you do the next any two. Yes, some voices coming. Some personal talk is going on. No talk this time. Noreen, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Atik Sharma. Atik. Atik is not hearing. So I will. Anshika Jasrotia.
Yes, ma'am.
So you do the lines, dear. Use any 2 or 3 lines. Do it. This is just a practice. How do you have to make different type of lines? This is a sleepy. Yes, dear. Do it fast because time is less.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Say. You can't do?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay, very good. Very honest. Like this I'm doing. Okay. Very honest girl. At least she said I can't do. Good. This is the right approach. You should be very clear in your speech. This name is written somebody's Papa Indrajit. I don't know who is the child. Is requested to please write the name of your child. It is written there.
Yes,
Indrajit.
ma'am.
Yes. Yes, your good name, beta. What's your name?
Damanpreet.
Okay, Daman, tell Papa to write your name. So at least I can speak out your name. Okay, dear? So instead of Papa's
Yes,
name,
ma'am.
your name. Okay, dear. Do the next two, dear. Join the 2 dots. Yes. Next. Okay. Good, good, good. Right? Yes. You can do one more. Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you, dear. Let the others also do now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay. Pavneet, you have got one more chance. Huh? So now do join the 2, any 2 lines. Yes, Pavneet. Okay. Yes. Down one. Okay. Okay, dear. Okay. Now I think we'll go to the next because time is
Thank you,
short.
ma'am.
Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Voice is coming. Please be careful. You are in a class, not at home. Some are singing songs. This doesn't speak good of you. Now, these are your standing lines. Okay. Same way, with the help of pencil, you have to join these 2 lines. I'll just show you because time is less, and try to make it straight. Even I'm not able to make straight without the help of a scale. Okay. So these are your standing lines, which we did. So this is the last attempt by, and I want, time is going, it will be cut otherwise. So I'll give chance to Jasleen. Can you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do fast. Time is already over. Please join, match this rectangle. Yes. Yes, good. Do the next. Yes. Whichever you know, you do. Okay, this is a pentagon. Pentagon is a 5-sided figure, right there. Okay. And hexagon is a 6-sided figure. I'm just helping you out, yes. Okay. Right oval. This is hexagon, the one which you have left, a 6-sided figure. Okay, very good try, very good try.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, dear, thank you. Noreen?
Yes, ma'am.
Noreen, what are the things we did today? What are the things we read today? Can you just give me a summary of that, small gist, what we did today?
Ma'am, shape.
Right? Shapes, what are shapes? Okay, next. Yes, dear? Yes? I'll go to the next. Daisel?
Yes, ma'am.
What else we did? She said shapes. What else we did today? Students, if it gets good girls, if it gets disconnected, so you remain connected, again I will join. Okay, so I want to see. Don't get, suppose it is the video gets stuck, you simply go away, but you remain there, again I'll start. Okay, I'll have a 10-minute session more. Yes, dear. What else we did apart from shapes? Yes, Daisel.
Shapes
What did
and patterns.
shapes and patterns? Okay, but what did specifically, what did we do? We did lines, na? Different types of lines. Yes, Daisel? Yes. So what are the different lines where we did?
Slipping line, standing line,
Yes.
sliding line,